A single bite. That's all it takes for a celebrated delicacy to become a deadly poison. All over the world, there are meals so dangerous they're actually banned in some countries. And yet, people will risk everything just for a taste. These are toxic treasures, and the chefs who handle them are masters of a life-or-death culinary art. So, who are they? And why on earth do they do it? In Japan, some of the world's most elite chefs dedicate their lives to mastering a single fish, fugu, the pufferfish. This isn't just any fish. Its organs are loaded with tetrodotoxin, a poison up to 1,200 times more lethal than cyanide. A dose smaller than a pinhead is enough to trigger a terrifying shutdown. It's like a neurological blackout. The poison disconnects your muscles from your brain, leaving you fully conscious but unable to move or even breathe into death by suffocation. And the most chilling part, there is no antidote. Becoming a fugue chef is an incredibly demanding journey. Apprentices train for years, perfecting their skills with a special knife called a fugu haiku. Think of them as culinary surgeons. They learn to remove every last trace of the toxic organs with absolute precision. The final exam is the ultimate test. They must prepare and then eat the fish they've caught. Only about 35% of applicants ever pass the brutal exams to earn their license. For these masters, it's more than a job. It's a sacred trust. A single slip of the knife is the difference between an expensive dinner and a final one. Not all deadly foods rely on poison. In South Korea, a popular dish called sanakji presents a purely physical threat. The dish is simple. A live baby octopus, chopped up and served while its tentacles are still writhing. The danger lies in its suction cups, which remain active long after the octopus has been prepared. If a diner doesn't chew thoroughly, those suction cups can act like tiny, rogue grappling hooks, latching onto the inside of their throat and causing suffocation. It's estimated that about 6 people die every year from eating sanakji. This is a dish that literally fights back. The plant kingdom has its own set of dangers. In Jamaica, the ackee fruit is a key part of the national dish, ackee and saltfish. But it comes with a strict rule. If eaten before it's perfectly ripe and has opened on its own, the fruit contains a poison called hypoglycine A. This can trigger Jamaican vomiting sickness, which can lead to seizures and death. Think of the fruit's pod as a natural safety lock. Only when it splits open on its own is the lock released, revealing the safe, edible parts inside. Meanwhile, Iceland's harsh winters gave birth to hakarl, or fermented shark. Fresh Greenland shark is toxic. Its flesh full of urea and trimethylamine oxide. To make it edible, the Vikings developed a process of burying the shark for months to let it ferment, essentially allowing the earth to neutralize the toxins before hanging it to dry. The process works, but it leaves the meat with an overwhelming ammonia smell that has challenged even the most adventurous eaters. So, why do these risky foods endure? It's a fascinating blend of tradition, adrenaline, and cultural pride. For many, eating these dishes is a way to connect with their heritage. Hakarl, for instance, is a symbol of Icelandic resilience, a taste of the nation's tough history served during the midwinter festival. Ackee and saltfish tells the story of Jamaica, blending a West African fruit with salted cod from the colonial era. It's a plateful of the Jamaican people's spirit and creativity. And for some, let's be honest, it's about the thrill. It's the prestige of looking danger in the eye and walking away with a great story. The chefs who prepare these meals aren't just cooks. They are guardians of tradition, artisans who walk a culinary tightrope every single day. They are the masters who risk it all to serve these toxic treasures. These dishes definitely push the boundaries of what we call food. So, what about you? What's the most daring or unusual thing you've ever eaten? Share your experience in the comments below. From the razor-sharp focus of a fugue chef in Japan to the ancient preservation methods of Icelandic fishermen, the world's deadliest foods reveal a profound truth. They teach us that sometimes the greatest flavor comes with the greatest risk. It's a dance with danger, a celebration of culture, and a testament to our wild desire to conquer the forbidden. For those who dare, the reward is a taste of something truly unforgettable.